How to download GTA 5 in 2023. So first up, I want you to go to Google and search for Rockstar Games Launcher, spelled like this. Then click on the first link and click on download for Windows. Now it will take between a few seconds and a few hours for this to download, depending on your internet speed. And then simply open it up. Now, here you have to select the language that you want to use for the launcher itself. So click on continue. Again, continue. Read through the terms of service and click on I accept the terms of license agreement, and again, continue. This is where the Rockstar launcher will be installed. So click on, again, you guessed it, continue. Mark this, run Rockstar Games Launcher on close. You close this and the launcher should automatically open for us. So it looks like this, very clean. So just give it a few seconds to make its first time verification of the files. Okay, so here is where you create your account if you don't already have one. So I don't have an account, so I'm just going to click on create new account. I have read the terms of service, so give all of your information here. So then you want to go to your email and simply click on the link, and then you click on check verification. It will tell you that it has been verified, your email. You can either scan, but I'm not going to do that. And here's where you have GTA 5. So basically all we have to do is click on buy now. Again, you click on buy now. You can select your payment method, so you got a variety of payment methods, and let's do credit card, for example. So here's where you write your information. This is the price, and after you have confirmed this, you will get a transaction number or whatever it's called, and the game should automatically begin downloading for you. So that is how you get GTA 5 on your PC. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.